Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make group tabs in Opera browser. So let's get started. So first thing first is very simple. What you can simply do to go to the settings. From here, you will see the three dots or three lines over here. Just tap on that. And then you need to scroll it down until you find the go to full browser settings. So tap on that option and then scroll it down. So I'm not getting the option, so I will search for the workspace. Just search for it, and as you can see, here is the enable workspace. So we need to enable the workspace from here by tapping on this button right over here. So as you can see, we got the workspace 1 and 2 into my browser. If you just right click on it, you can simply edit this workspace and many more things can be done. Okay, so first thing first, let's just open up browser tabs like two YouTubes and one Facebook. All right, now what you can simply do to group this into the workspace is to just hold the control key in your keyboard, select the tabs like this. All right, then right click on your mouse and then you need to go to the move to, and here is the workspace. So tap on that. So as you can see, we are on the second workspace. So let's just open up more two tabs. So if you just want to go back to the previous workspace, we can go simply just tap on that, and if we just want to go another, you can tap on that. So that's how you can simply group the workspace into the workspace, and also you can add some of the workspace, like just tap right click on it, and what you can simply do to add more workspace is very simple. It's just to right click on your workspace and you will get the option to manage workspace. Tap on that, and as you can see, we got this. So after that, you can add more, like tap on the add more, and you need to add any kind of icon. So I will go with this and then create. Then as you can see, we got the three workspace right in front of you. So that's how you can simply work in the workspace or make group tabs in Opera browser. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.